everybody, today I'm going to show you all of my squishies I just took away because my brother is going to ruin everything. So, yeah. So the first squishy that I had is this long bread, and it's 8-inch long, which is really squishy that I love so much. Let me move you guys for a minute. Hold on. There we go. Wait, a little more there. That's all in this bag that I really love. The closet. There we go. That's how the angle was. We're going down like that. Turn. So next I have this Smile pink thingy thing. I don't know what is this. I don't know what it's called. And so I might make an ABC video that if I don't know how to do it, you have to get a squishy. You have to make sure it's from the alphabets, the beginning of the alphabets, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, and if you don't have those kind of squishies, you have to buy a squishy for 10 seconds. So I'm going to try to do that with this one. I hope I'm not actually doing it. So I hope this doesn't taste disgusting. I just want to do it to show you guys an example. It tastes disgusting. Okay, so I still taste it, guys. Okay. And I have this panda one which has defects, but I still like it, which is really squishy, and yeah, I love it so much. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to do a bite it again. That wasn't bad. That kind of tasted good. Now I put my saliva on it, and now I'm going to rub it. So, yeah, now I'm going to do this one, which my auntie gave me. I'm not going to tell you guys her name, and I love it. I forget what it's called, so comment down below what is this. Oh, and comment down below what is this. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's this and this. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, I don't know what it is. I do not know what's up this. I collect no smoke. But with cheese, I like this so much. So, yeah. Next squishy I have is this donut Hello Kitty squishy, which is so pretty that I like, and pink, light pink is my favorite color. I'm not even looking at that. That's so weird. So I like this, and then the back over here says Hello Kitty has a defect, so I'm still gonna keep it. I'm not gonna sell it on eBay. If you guys are wondering where I found this, I found it on squishies.com and Squishies. So this is not a rare. Comment down below if it's rare and jumbo. But up here is gonna come off, and over here is gonna come off. So yeah, I love it. It's a duck. It's so pretty. Next squishy I have in this bag is this little paw squishy. A dog paw. I love dogs, but it has some defects. Focus! And I love it so much. It's so tiny. On squishy.com, I thought it was going to be jumbo. I wasn't paying attention to the words, so yeah. Next squishy, I have this ice cream. I have 2 ice creams, which I don't know why. Because people keep giving me ice creams. It's my friend. One was on a Christmas tree, so I took it off. Nobody was looking, so yeah. My grandma was talking to me, and yeah. Okay. Next squishy that I have in this bag is this squishy, which I do not know what it's called, but it's a donut. I love this so much. But there's holes, so look for a hole. Oh, right there, I found one. Ha! Then I have this ice cream, which I love chocolate. So I told you I have 2 ice creams. Next squishy that I have is, sorry guys, this one broke. So, yeah, this one's the one that broken. So you see that? Well, it looks better. At least it looks better. And my auntie gave this, and I'll tell you the name. So yeah, let's go! Woo! Okay, that right there. Next squishy that I have in here, I decoed it. I don't know why I did. It was like plain ugly. So yeah. Next squishy that I have is this little smiley face with blush. I love it so much. I love the little ones because they're so cute. Next I have this cupcake. Which my auntie gave me. And my auntie gave this to me. So I better end this pretty soon. So yeah. He's got me. So that's all what I have in this bag. I'll show you guys. I know I have a little bit, but I have one of the guys that I didn't show you guys. But fine, I'll give you guys a little peek at it. Oh my gosh, what did I put? Remember I had this one? Okay. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do my ugly one, and I'll show you the ears. It looks like a cupcake.
Oh my god! What?
My brother ate the ears off. So, you get to peek. And the ears, what's the other ear? Oh, only one ear? Okay, only one ear there is. I don't know where the other ear is. So here's one ear of it that I've only found.
No.
But I still like it. It's still squishy. It's still squishy. I'm not shy now, but I'm so shy. I'm kind of talkless. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. Top of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Bye, YouTube.